Good morning, Standard 5 students. Today in this class, we will discuss in chapter 5 about the special food habits of animals. So let us discuss about this. Now first we will start with feeding in butterflies. Because they have a special type of tube-like tongue called proboscis. It uncoils to sip liquid food and then coils up again into a spiral when the butterfly is not feeding. So you see the proboscis is a tube-like structure that is remaining coiled when it is not in use, but when they have to sip the fruit juices or flower juices, they uncoil. Most butterflies prefer flower nectar, but others may feed on liquids found in rotting fruit, in ooze from trees and in animal dung. So most of the butterflies drink the juice of the flower that is called nectar, but some others can feed in other liquids also. You can see the proboscis, it is shown in the picture also here. The proboscis, with the help of which the butterfly suck the nectar, it uncoils. It is in uncoil stage, and in this you can see in coil state when it is not in use, it remains coiled like this. So you can see both the structure in this picture, uncoiled and coiled. Let us see about the other things. Feeding in mosquitoes. Like all living creatures, mosquitoes require some form of substances in order to survive. Both male and female adult mosquitoes actually feed on nectar, plant sap or honeydew for nourishment. Only the female mosquitoes require a blood meal as it provides the necessary protein required for egg laying. So, mostly mosquitoes are also surviving in other nectar or plant sap or honey, but the female mosquitoes need that blood meal because it helps them to get protein that is required for egg laying. So you can see in mosquitoes also there is a tube-like structure. They suck the blood with the help of this tube. Feeding in frogs. Most frogs eat many different insects, crickets, cockroaches, mealworms, mosquitoes, larvae, earthworms, fruit flies, etc. To catch prey, their sticky tongue will dart from their mouths and pull the prey into frog's mouth. This movement is so fast, often the prey doesn't have a chance to escape. A frog's tongue can snap back onto its mouth within 15 by 100th of a second. That means the frog has opposite side tongue open. Our tongue is back side, it is attached, but in frog it is front side attached. And when they have to eat their prey, they take out their mouth tongue outside. You can see in this picture, they take out their tongue and the insect stick in their sticky tongue, and then what happens, they reverse back its tongue. You can see in this picture, they are taking the insect sticky state is there in tongue and it is taking inside the mouth and swallowing this insect. Now we will discuss in movement in land animals, those who are quadrupeds, that means those who have four limbs. Animals move for a variety of reasons, such as to find food, a mate, a suitable microhabitat, or to escape predators. For many animals, the ability to move is essential for survival, and as a result, natural selection has shaped the locomotion methods and mechanism used by moving organisms. So, animals have to move for their survival, for their getting food. You can see quadrupeds, zebra, they are land animal, they have four limbs. Movement in land animals with four limbs. With the exception of the birds, terrestrial vertebrate groups with legs are mostly quadrupedal. The mammals, reptiles and the amphibians usually move on four legs. Terrestrial locomotion, any of several forms of animal movement such as walking, running, jumping, saltation, crawling, walking and running, in which the body is carried well off the surface on which the animal is moving. So there are different types of movement in land animals. They can walk, they can jump, they can run, they can hop also, they can crawl also. So all these different types of movements are done with the help of their legs. You can see kangaroos. Kangaroos use their hind limbs only to put on the land, and whole body is taken in the air and they hop. They don't use all the four limbs, but they use their hind limbs to take the support from the ground while they are jumping. Movement in quadrupeds, we can see land animals have four limbs. The two limbs in front are called forelimbs. The two at the back is known as hindlimbs. Quadrupeds use all four limbs to walk, run or jump. While some use only hind limbs, for example kangaroos. You have seen that hind limb they are using, kangaroos, I have shown the picture also. Snake, lizards and crocodiles move by crawling. You can see some animals that can move by crawling. Crocodile, lizards, snake and some tortoises, and here you can see many different types of crawling animals in this picture. So thank you students, we will meet in the next class again. Thank you all of you.